Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use mobile phone as a scientific calculator on Android. So all you have to do now, open your calculator on your Android phone. So in order to become or open the scientific calculator, you have to search your calculator settings. So if there is no scientific option, you have to download third party or other application on Play Store. But usually, if you notice these stripes, this one, it means you have to scroll down or slide down your calculator. For example, like this. As you can see, this is the scientific option. There is sin, cos, tan, and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.